freelancer, copywriter, designer, or architect. No matter what your occupation is, a thorough and updated portfolio is essential. That's all well and good, but creating a portfolio that catches the eye of others isn't always as cut and dry as we'd like to think. To top it off, there are many different options for a portfolio, whether you're creating a physical copy, digital copy, or a website portfolio. For that reason, we're going to go over a few quick tips to help you stand out and create an impressive portfolio. Tip number 1, showcase your best work. Your work is what separates you from the competition. For that reason alone, your absolute best work should be on the front and center of your portfolio. Maybe it was your favorite project, or a project that you had great feedback on. Regardless of what makes it stand out, use it as your portfolio's centerpiece. Tip number 2, use a variety of projects. You'll want to show that you're capable of doing many different projects. This helps whoever is reading your portfolio understand what you're really capable of. Tip number 3, create a digital and physical copy of your portfolio. Most people nowadays have a digital copy of their portfolio, but it's also very useful to have a physical copy as well. You never know when a potential client or even an employer might appreciate a hard copy in a face-to-face interview. And lastly, tip number 4, keep it updated. Possibly the most important tip on this list is to keep your portfolio updated constantly. If you've just finished a nice piece or a project or gained some sort of experience, go ahead and put it into your portfolio. It will only help and make your portfolio even more impressive. That's just about all we have time for today, folks. Remember that if you have any portfolio creating needs, Flipsnack is here to help with the most innovative and detailed editing tool out there. Go ahead and give it a shot.